So we ate at Cane's, and I have to say, their little cane sauce is nothing to be woohoo about. It's okay. Their Texas toast was great. Their fries were good. The chicken was hot, fresh, and juicy. It was very, very good. I enjoyed it. Would I come back here? Yes. I'd give them a 7, because I'm sorry, Chick-fil-A outbeats them any day. So would I come back here? Yes. Customer service, it was I'll give it a 5. But that is what my opinion is about Cane's. Talk to you guys soon. Love y'all. See you next time. These are very, very soft.
So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your eyes. What do you even what do you even
So we just ate at a place called DeVivo's Bros Eatery. Rustic comfort food. And I have to say my pasta was very good.
I had a hamburger and fries, and I call this place a 10.
And I say it's a 10 too. Will we come back? Yes, most definitely. Wait till you see the pictures I took of the dessert. You'll be
So much to offer.
Yeah. So therefore that is my review and my opinion of this place. So if you like my videos, make sure you give a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And see you next time. Love y'all.
Leave now, make your escape. You know the fortune favors the brave. So close, just get away. No surprise, but nevertheless,
Okay, so I just ate at Golden Chick, as you guys can see behind me. I'm gonna give them a 3.5 on their food. I mean, yes, the food was good, but I'm sorry to say, Chicken Express outbeats this place. Will I ever come back and eat here again? No. It's a little bit more expensive than Chicken Express, but I mean, yes, the chicken tenders were good. Yes, their fries were good. The gravy was good. The biscuit, or not the biscuit, the roll was good, but no. I tried it, and that's what I think.
Same thing.
Oh, he just being
I'm not being
tired.
I'm a little tired, but
he agrees with me.
well,
So that's my opinion of this place. Love y'all. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. Love y'all. See y'all next time.
still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes.
just ate at WnB place, wings and burgers. The food was very good. I'd give it a 9. Service, a 0. Will I come back here to eat? No. It's one of those places where you just rather order and take it back home and eat. So that's just my opinion. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you subscribe. Love y'all. See y'all again. Okay, so we just ate at our brunch spot, is the name of the restaurant, and I'm gonna give it a 10 because 1, the service was good, 2, the food was good, and the eggs I ate, which you'll see in the picture that there's no eggs on the plate. That's because I already ate them before I took the picture. But the eggs were very good, and I have a tendency of being picky on the eggs, on the taste and everything. They were really good. The bacon was really good. The sausage was really good. The waffle, oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. That was very, very, very good. And then my husband said he'd give them I think either an 8.5 or a 9.5. I can't remember. It doesn't beat Huckleberry's, but it does beat First Watch. And would I go back there again? Yes, because I wouldn't mind trying their lunches. We just did breakfast there. So I wouldn't mind going back again and eating lunch there. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you subscribe. And I love y'all. See you next time.